Hello everyone, my name is Clint Rand and I'm doing this for my Module 41 Unit 1 Activity 2 which is producing digital content for learning. And I'm doing mine on Prezi Presentations, which is an online software presentation tool. It is similar to Google Slides or PowerPoint, but it's much more engaging. So I'm just going to give you a couple of quick tips and tools for you guys to take a look at, and hopefully you can give these a try on your own. So number one is go to here and then click on here. Create an account. It is free. They do of course have upgraded accounts which cost money. Then you go and you create your own presentation. Your own Prezi presentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a presentation that I already created, and we're going to do a little bit of work on it just to show you some quick tips and tricks. So it's laid out like this, and what you can do is you can insert your own picture, or you can use one from their gallery, and then you go through and you do the you insert, and then you can insert your title, you can insert a subtitle, you can insert pictures and shapes and all these things. So what this is showing you right now is it's just giving you a little bit of a thing showing you what you can do. It is so amazing, and that I think that you will really enjoy it. So let's just go through a little bit, and I'll give you a little bit of a test drive. So what I did was did creating a positive classroom, and it's a focus on interaction in a kindergarten 3 classroom. So one of the things I spoke about is adding humor to the classroom. So here we go. So try adding humor. So here's what you can do is you can come in and you can insert some different things. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit insert, and I'm going to insert text, and I'm going to put it over here, and it's going to say hello all. Okay, so I'm going to move it over a little bit so everybody can see it. There we go. And then of course we have tip 1 with a picture, and it's got a little bit of a quote from the author. Then we have tip 2, and it's got a video inserted here, and it's another showing where the video comes from and who the author is. And then over here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a third subtopic, or a fourth I guess I should say. So here we go, and let's turn it into tip 4, because all the other ones are tips 1 through 3. Okay, now let's make this a little bit smaller so it's the same size. Okay, we did that. Let's go in here, and I'm going to delete that, and we will do this here. We'll say use humor for fun, and I'm going to put a video or a picture. I'm going to insert a image first. So I come here and I'm going to pick one that they have. You of course can also insert your own images. I'm going to use one from their gallery just to make it easy, and you can center it or put it wherever you'd like. Okay, so I'm going to put it here, and then I want another subtopic. I'm going to add another one right here, and we're going to go into it, and we are going to add a YouTube video. Okay, so we go here, insert, and then down here is video. What you have to do is find the URL. So I'm going to go here to YouTube and fun in the classroom. Okay, and how about some fun energizers for the kids? Okay, so then you copy the URL right here, and you go back. You just click it in here, and insert. And there you go. And you should put a title. MGK. And there you go. So there's lots of different things you can do. You can pick a different color. You can pick a different size. You can pick so many different things. You can insert numerous things, subtopics, library, story blocks, text, image, icons, arrows and lines, shapes. So it really has a lot of versatility. And if you want to move stuff, you can move it over here to show the different order. Okay, that's going to be first now. Oh, let's put it back. But I really think take a look, create a free site, free membership. Go in, play around with it. You're really going to enjoy it. It definitely makes your presentations pop and makes people really enjoy it. It's not that hard. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but I think that if you play around with it and you learn how to do it, it becomes easier and easier, and it definitely will set you apart. It'll make your students pay more attention and they'll be more engaged, and also if you're doing any presentations for your teachers, your coworkers, they definitely will enjoy it as well. So that's it for me. I want to say thank you very much, and I hope that you can fill out my sheet to give me a little bit of feedback on how well I did. Thank you very much. Have a good day.